Are you tired of not finding the right business opportunity? The solution to your problem may be right in front of you. Let me introduce you to Gladiacoin, taking Bitcoin trading to the next level. At Gladiacoin, we are a team of cryptocurrency traders. We provide secure exchange operations, safety and the best customer satisfaction. Let me welcome you to Gladiacoin.
Our Bitcoin trading operation profit represents the earning power of the company, so we can offer our members great returns. Our exclusive benefits include a 2.2% return over the investment for 90 days, a total of 200%. This is a fully automated platform. You earn without the need to do tedious activities, and your trading earnings are deposited every day direct to your Bitcoin wallet. We offer two ways to earn. One is the return over your investment. And second, you can leverage with a powerful binary network where you can earn from 5% to 15%. Plus our binary bonuses are paid from 5% to 15% depending your investment pack. And the volume is matched every day. Binary earnings are also deposited same day. We offer investments packs from 0.05 Bitcoin to 4 Bitcoin, and the trading interest is deposited every day to your Bitcoin wallet. Gladio Coin offers you a personalized web page and a state-of-the-art technology, virtual back office, where you can track all your earnings and team performance. Get back with the person that showed you this video and take advantage of this great opportunity. Start doubling your Bitcoin today.
Hi, I am very excited to be able to share with all of you this extraordinary business project called Gladiacoin, where an innovative, easy-to-use system allows any person the opportunity of duplicating their Bitcoins in only 90 days. Gladiacoin is a global platform which promotes prosperity through Bitcoin. But ironically, only about 30% of the world's population has any idea what Bitcoin really is. So let's talk about the history. In 2009, after the financial crisis, a person or a group of people, no one knows for sure, under the pseudonym of Satoshi Nakamoto, printed a publication unveiling what is known today as the first cryptocurrency. It was decentralized, which means no government has authority over it, and therefore of major value on the worldwide scene. Now, he created this not because he wanted to create money, it was because he wanted to promote the idea of having a transaction without having to use third parties, kind of like banks. He preferred for a system that could be people to people directly, so it was created to specifically eliminate the high costs imposed by those intermediaries. Bitcoin was first seen on January 3, 2009, but by June 2010, it originally had a value of 10 cents. Now today, a Bitcoin has a value of approximately $1,200. Now think about it. If you would have bought 100 Bitcoin when it was first created, you would have made $120,000 by today. Well, many well-known, important, successful business firms have and are investing in Bitcoin. As you can see here, firms like Visa, Google, MasterCard, PayPal, Western Union, Capital One, MoneyGram, American Express, Microsoft, but of course the one that I think is interesting is the United States Army, really, just to name a few. Now, on top of that, multi-million-dollar firms have created digital wallets that offer higher security so that we can safely guard our Bitcoin. Again, companies like Blockchain, Coinbase, Zappo, CoPay, BitPay. And look, every few minutes, thousands of companies are accepting Bitcoin, either over the internet or just plain walk-in traffic. Places that you know, like Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks, Best Buy, Home Depot. Today it is as easy to buy in Bitcoin as it is paying with a bank credit card. So as you can see, Bitcoin, number one, can appreciate in value, and number two, you can easily use them to buy things. So you are wondering, how can you double my Bitcoin? Fair question. Just like the New York Stock Exchange or basically the Forex market, cryptocurrencies also have numerous markets called exchanges. Now, they're used for trading, selling, buying, or literally exchanging with other exchanges. It's kind of funny the way you see it. So, essentially, success in this marketplace is recognizing the market trends quickly, which are profitable. So Gladio Coin can keep generating economic gains. Look, long story short about this is, it's all about buying low, selling high. Shoot, one of the things I like about this, or really like about this, is that we are dealing with global exchange markets. And why do I love that, you ask? They're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Heck, my Bitcoin works for me all night long. Gladiacoin is a platform that works in the digital economy by trading or exchanging cryptocurrencies. These guys are specialists with years of experience and implementing the latest technologies like innovative robots and artificial intelligence so that they can make sure the trades are both profitable and successful. This is a proven and sustainable system which generates high returns. So, from there, Gladiacoin is offering the opportunity to potential investors to participate, kind of like me and you, and receive part of the earnings. In turn, of course, Gladiacoin has more capital to get more Bitcoins and get a bigger market share. Simply put, with Gladiacoin, you can obtain various benefits, like you can see here, doubling your Bitcoins in 90 days or less, depending on what you choose to do. And frankly, you can basically double your Bitcoins without you having to do anything. You don't have anything tedious tasks to tend to. In fact, the Gladiacoin platform integrates with whatever Bitcoin wallet you may have. You choose the wallet, that's fine. And the thing I like the most is that I receive daily benefits. For example, from the first day of your investment, once you invest it, until it's all paid, payments are dispersed daily at a rate of 2.2%, and that's the passive part, plus any binary earning you may have, and boom! The system automatically deposits your earnings in your personal wallet. Now, you gotta think about 4 other benefits in this whole scheme of things. Number 1, our powerful servers are located in Singapore, and they operate the platform globally. That's one of the advantages of being in Singapore. Now, that office is available in real time, 24/7. After all, remember, when it's night where you are, it's daytime somewhere else in the world. And then, of course, and if you choose to accelerate your gains, you get to use the power of network marketing's binary. And as we keep saying, you can earn an extra 5 to 15% daily just for recommending. Don't forget, the system is easy to use and it's designed to facilitate access from any computer, tablet, or cell. The premise of this Gladiacoin platform is to double your plan in only 90 days or less. Once your objective has been achieved, you have the liberty to reinvest in the same plan, or in a better plan. For example, the investment plan at the point or basically half a Bitcoin. You can actually double it in 90 days, all the way to 1 Bitcoin. Now, you get to decide what you want to do. Okay, do you want to stop investing, reinvest in the same plan, or do you want to upgrade to the next major plan? I want you to really see how your investment will work. So take a look at this chart. On day 1, you invest 1 Bitcoin, for example. By the time you reach 45 days, your 1 Bitcoin investment has been recovered already. It's been deposited in your digital wallet. So in the next 45 days, you actually start receiving your gains in your wallet. So if you think about it, you really are only out of your investment, your initial investment, for a very short time, the 45 days, which could be sooner with the binary, as I will show you in a minute. Again, in Gladio Coin, there are 2 ways to gain. Number 1, you have a gain of 2.2% daily of your investment. This is the passive earning. You don't have to do anything at all. You can just do that if that's what you desire. And again, you're going to double your investment in 90 days. This is kind of easy street. But then, if you want to, you can also at the same time work the binary just by recommending people to get the same results you're getting. Ironically, I know an older lady, Conchita, who invested passively 4 Bitcoins. She was determined that she could not network anyone. She started to earn $104 per day. Within 3 weeks, her friends were nagging her to help them make that kind of money. She did help, and of course, she is earning more Bitcoin even faster than before. As I keep saying, you will earn 5 to 15% from the team with the least volume. If you implement both ways, you basically will be earning much, much faster. I know, you're asking me, what is this binary thing? How do I do that? Okay, it's going to be very simple. Listen closely. To earn from your binary, you must recruit 1 person in your left leg and the other in your right. At that point, you're done. So you can put a spouse there, you can put children there that you're trying to help for the future. Think about it. You know 2 people you can help, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Then you are automatically and easily qualified to receive 5 to 15% of the volume from your lesser leg daily and infinitely. And what that means is that you earn from anyone joining under you, your friends, or your team. Again, the truth is, working your binary, you receive your earnings very, very quickly. Now, every time a team member reaches their objectives in their plan, by doubling their investment, and reinvests in the same plan, or upgrades their plan, you get paid. Again, as an example, here on the chart, you can see on the slide, you can see a scenario that your binary has grown to basically, let's say, 100 people. And they have doubled their investment. So they're happy. They're all happy campers. But maybe only 50 of them decide to reinvest in the same plan or upgrade. Well, you get paid again based on your binary percentage. So that way, you are consistently earning once and again and again. And from the same people on your team who keep reinvesting. Not only are we talking about a huge potential, we are talking about getting daily payments on this. Gladiacoin has 7 different plans to fit pretty much any budget. Plan number 1 is Spartacus 1. It starts with 0.05 Bitcoin. We are not talking about very much, and I'll try to keep the dollar figure out of it because this changes from day to day. but it's not very much. And this plan doesn't double in 90 days, so I'm not crazy about Spartacus 1. It's strictly devised to hold a position for you to grow your binary. You'll receive 5% from your binary. It is limited to earning a daily maximum of 0.10%, 0.10 Bitcoin daily, and a maximum monthly earning of 3 Bitcoin. Frankly, I would only use this plan if you were an MLM expert who knows how to build a network fast and furious, because I said it doesn't double your investment passively. But the next plan is Spartacus 2, and it starts with 0.10 Bitcoin. We're talking about $190, but that's today's value, okay? This changes every day. This plan will double your investment in 90 days passively. And actually, all the rest of the plans I'm going to talk to you about will actually do that. You're going to receive 6% of your binary, but all of this is limited to 0.20 Bitcoin daily and a maximum of getting 6 Bitcoins a month. Spartacus 3 starts with 0.30 Bitcoin, which is approximately $390, today's value. It's going to double passively, so that's cool in 90 days. It has an earnings of 7% for your binary with a daily limit of 0.60 Bitcoin. A monthly limit of 18 Bitcoin. But think about that. If you really were making 18 Bitcoins in a month, right now it's what, $1,200? You'd be a happy camper, I know you would. But let's look at Spartacus 4. Spartacus 4 is a popular plan, basically, where many people start their investment strategy. They start with half a Bitcoin, 0.5, which, again, today's value is probably around let's say 660, something like that. Okay, this plan does double in 90 days passively, so that's nice about it. 9% binary, and I like that because that's close to 10%. That's pretty good. You start seeing good numbers after that. Maximum you can make is 1 Bitcoin a day. Again, 30 days. Think about that. You can make $1,200 daily. The monthly maximum in this plan is 30 Bitcoin. That's the most they'll let you make. Okay, but the top level of plans here are located here. Okay, Spartacus 5. We start with 1 Bitcoin. Now, actually, I started with this one, and I thought this one's been a good investment. It's about $1,200 right now for this investment. And this plan does double, of course. You can make 11% on your binary. The daily maximum is 2 Bitcoins, which is good. And the monthly maximum is 60 Bitcoin. Again, think about that times what the 1 Bitcoin equals. Spartacus 6, even better. This plan starts with 2 Bitcoin to double your investment in 90 days. You earn 13% in your binary. A maximum daily earning of 4 Bitcoins, 4 in 1 day, and monthly earning of 120 Bitcoins. The 7th and last plan is Spartacus 7. Starts with a 4 Bitcoin investment, doubles in 90 days. The binary earns 15%, which is the maximum percentage for any of the binaries, by the way. And the daily earnings are capped at 8 Bitcoin per day. Remember, think about that. And the monthly maximum is 240. Again, this is a relatively new system, but as of today, we already have numerous people making this kind of money. Some of them are making easily 2 Bitcoin per day. Let's say that. And that means they're taking over $2,000 daily. It's important that you understand this and how it works. If you combine your passive earnings of whatever investment you decide to make and add the networking aspect, you'll be accelerating your earnings. It all actually depends on what you want to achieve. Truth is, we're going to invite you to participate right now. It's really pretty easy. Talk to the person that shared this video with you and ask them for more information. Please understand that the dollar values were calculated the day I recorded this video, so don't hold us to that. But when you talk to that person, you'll be able to figure out exactly how much it is you need to invest. So the actual value will vary. Pick a plan that best suits your goals and accommodates your budget. Okay? Don't go over your head. But start today. Don't wait. We're talking about duplicating your investment in at least 90 days. And doing that is serious business.